Good afternoon again. We're picking up where we left off, this time at number 12 on section 2.1. 5x minus parentheses 4x plus 5 equals negative 3. Now you're minusing everything that's inside the parentheses, so you got to distribute negativity across the parentheses. So on the second step we get 5x minus the 4x minus the 5. Everything inside the parentheses gets minus, gets zapped. It changes its polarity. And we get equals negative 3. And now, okay, so now to go from the second step to the third step, we just do 5x minus 4x, which is 1x, so which is x. So x minus 5 equals neg 3. And now to go from the third step to the fourth step, we move the negative 5 over from here down to here. And remember, if you jump across the equal sign, you change battery terminal. So we want x's by themselves. X equals negative 3 plus 5. And so, but that's the same thing as 5 minus 3, which is 2. Remember, we want x's on one side, regular numbers on the other. So 2 is my final answer. And just to review, here was the problem, and here are the steps that I took. My marker started to fade just a little bit there. But there it is, and that was number 12. Number 13 is a little harder. We have, let me step back, negative 3 times parentheses 3b plus 3 plus parentheses 10b minus 1 equals 0. Just distribute the negative 3 on through and you get negative 9b minus 9, and then plus. Now that second set of parentheses by the 10b minus 1, you can drop those. They're kind of superficial. That's just 10b minus 1 equals 0. Again, what I did to go from the first line to the second line, I distributed negative 3 across the 3b plus 3. No further, but no less either. And we get neg 9b minus 9. So we got the second line there. And to go from the second to the third, we add negative 9b to 10b. We add b's to b's. Negative 9b plus 10b is 1b. And then negative 9 minus 1 is neg 10. So we get b minus 10 there. We add b's to b's, regulars to regulars. So we got b and a minus 10 equals 0. But we want to get our b's away from our regulars when it's all over. So move that minus 10 over, and that becomes 0 plus 10. But 0 plus 10 is 10 itself. So b equals 10 is my final answer. Right there. Okay, so that was number 13 in a nutshell. Number 14. Now let me back up. We got, yeah, this one's kind of a mouthful. Maybe I need to zoom just a little bit. Well, I don't know where my zoom key is. Oh, here it is. Okay, negative 3, and there's glare. That's 3p plus 5. And then minus 2 minus 8p. And then that's going to equal 3 times 9 plus 2p, and that's all on the right side. So we got neg 3, maybe zoom. The glare is unbearable here. So we got neg 3, 3p plus 5 minus 2 minus 8p equals 3, 9 plus 2p. What we do is we distribute the neg 3 across the 3p plus 5, and we get negative 9p minus 15. We multiply the 3p and the 5 by neg 3. And then in the middle, that 2 minus 8p that's inside the parens, we multiply it by the neg 2 that's on the outside. So we get negative 4. We change the signs. Positive 2 times neg 2 is neg 4. Negative 8p times negative 2 is plus sign 16p. And then on the right-handed side, we distribute the 3 through, and we get 27 plus 6p. So just to recap, I distribute neg 3 across these two terms, here and here. Let me zoom out just a little bit. So distribute negative 3 across these two terms, and then I wind up getting these two terms on account of it. Distribute neg 2 across these two terms, and I wind up getting, well, that's not just 2, that's neg 2. Distribute it, and I wind up getting these two terms, neg 4 plus 16p. And then on the right side, distribute 3 across these two terms, and I get 27 plus 6p. Whew, okay, that was a mouthful. Let me zoom back in. But now at least we can maybe see what to do. Now on the left-handed side, okay, there's the right-handed side, here's the left-handed side. Now negative 9p plus 16p is 7p. So we add p's to p's. And then negative 5 minus 4 is negative 19. So just add and subtract the regulars. And then that's equal to 27 plus 6p. I didn't mess with the right-handed side from step 2 to step 3. Now to get from step 3 to step 4, I move my p's on the left and my non-p's on the right. So the 7p stays put. The 6p jumps over and becomes minus 6p. And then we got 27. The negative 19 jumps to the right and turns into plus 19. Okay, that was there. Now we got one more step to go when I ran out of room. Now 7p minus 6p is 1p. And then, so that's just p itself, equals. And then 27 plus 19 is 46. So my final answer is 46. So that was the rather interesting number 14. Now number 15, they actually take it easy on us. All they give us is just this little guy right here. M plus 26 equals 13. So move the 26 to the right-handed side. We get 13 minus 26. But that's going to be neg 13. And that's my final answer. M equals neg 13. But in the answer pool, we just type in negative 13. I hope this helps. And this closes off the section number 16 I'm not going to do. It's just the same old. But next time we'll move into 2.2. Thank you guys.